Hello guys, welcome back. So in the last video we have seen what is lambda function, how to use lambda function. So we were working on a use case we were looking that. So the use case was create a lambda function which send email notification and get triggered when you put any object to AWS S3 bucket. So for that there were some steps we have followed. So we have created S3 bucket, we have created IAM role, we have created lambda functions and attached the IAM role with that lambda function. Now we will see that we need a email address from email address and to email address from where we need to send notification and to where we have to send notification. So I'm using same email address for sending email and receiving email. Then you have to add event to S3 bucket. So guys, you need to open your AWS console again. So let me open that. So here what we need to do is we need to go simple email service. Just select simple email service, and there if left hand side you will see identity management. You have to click on email addresses. So currently my address is already identifies. So what you have to do, if you want to add new address, so you can click on verify new address, click your email address here and then click on verify this email address. So then you can see your email address registered here and the status will be verified. Once it will get verified, so it will be, the AWS will verify this and the status will be verified. Now what you have to do, we have already created a S3 bucket here. So go to the S3, click on S3. So once you will click on S3, you will see earlier we have created a S3 bucket. Click on select that S3 bucket. So now if you will see this is my bucket name and there are some option overview. These all things are there. Here are the option you can upload your or any object to your bucket. You can create folder and lot of things are there. Now because we have to create we have to attach event to this particular S3 bucket, so that whenever we will upload any object or any images or to this S3 bucket, a email should get triggered. Okay, so if you will go to the properties, you can see event. Just click on event and add notification. And from here you can select particular method and then send to you then in send to you have to select lambda function and the name of the lambda function you have created. So I'm selecting this lambda function here. So before that we just created a lambda function, but in that lambda function we didn't added our code. So first we will see that part. So let's move to the lambda functions. So here we already created lambda function. Just select that. This is the lambda function. Click here. Here you can see the runtime, and this is just the dummy code. So here you need to add the code. So I already having that code already written, so I'm just adding that code. I will explain you this code and I will add in the video below the same code. I will attach the same code in the comment or in description. So in index.js you can just put your code here. I have copied same code. So I will show you what I'm doing here. Just first save this code. So first of all we are using Node.js. So in Node.js we need this AWS SDK module. So import that module. We need SES. So in SES you need to create object of SES where you need to select a particular region. So your lambda function should be in same region where your S3 bucket is. So that's why I have given AP South 1. So if you will see here AP South 1, this is the region. Now you have to write your handler function, so which will accept this event which is coming from the which will come from the uh, event when you will any event. So in our case, suppose we are adding or we are uploading any document to S3 bucket, so that event will be captured here. Now you have to provide the two address here. So I have provided same address which is verified by SNS service. So this is the message, this is the subject, what is the subject, whatever subject, source you have to source, and here simple sending email function is there. So ses dot send email function, ses is a here AWS SES, so using send email function is there, and just pass these parameter and these params which you have configured here, and just save your function. So after saving function, now we have created our lambda function here. Now we will go to S3 bucket, and where we left off here. So in event you have to select event put, because we are just uploading the document. So it can be of any document, you can limit that here. So as of now I'm putting as it is, select send to, select lambda function as send to, and the name of the lambda function. So this is my lambda function name. Now I just click on save. Okay, it is saved. Now let's test whether it works or not. So now for testing, what I need to do, I need to upload some document in this S3 bucket. So click on upload, add file. So you can add any file. So click on upload. So this is logo is uploaded. This logo.png file is uploaded. Now let me check my email. Yeah, so I just got the notification, object added to S3 bucket. So you can see here I received the notification, lambda is working. So you can see the subject, object added to S3 bucket. So I have received this notification. So guys, we have covered all things in that. So create S3 bucket, then create IAM role, create lambda function, attach IAM role to that lambda function, verify your email address and with the SNS simple notification service, and then add event to S3 bucket. So this is all about the lambda function. So I hope guys you have enjoyed this. So please subscribe the channel and like and put comment if you need any other help regarding that. Thank you so much for watching.